Rather than have to post live every time on Facebook with a page or a group, you can actually schedule content so it goes at the right time for when your audience are online. I'll show you how to do that in 2020 on Facebook in this video. Here we go. So here I am on my Facebook page, and if I go to create a post, note that as soon as I type something in, the message comes up: post scheduling and additional options are available in Publishing Tools. So you can't do it directly in the post here, but what you can do is click on Publishing Tools and create the content there. So I'll go leave this page. Now there's various options. There's see what published posts you've already put out there, see any drafts where you've created the basic outline, and those are the ones you'd start with. So you'd create a draft to start with. So you'd either go to create draft here or just go to one already there. So if I click on that one and then click on the edit button here, make any adjustments you want to the post. And three options. You've got schedule, backdate, or publish. So publish is publishing it now, but schedule, you can save it for later. So if I say schedule, it starts with the current date and time. So I click on the current date and I'll say I want this tomorrow. I'll schedule it for 11 AM, that's fine. And I'll say schedule. So now if I look in schedule posts, you see that one schedule is there. You can now go back to that. You've got the preview of what it's going to look like. And here under actions, you can cancel the schedule, reschedule it for a different time, even backdate it to appear to have been posted earlier. Lots of options. So I'm going to say cancel schedule for now. And now there's no schedule post. So that's the way it's done on a Facebook page. If I go to a Facebook group now in the case of a group, it doesn't use the Publishing Tools aspect. All you need to do, schedule post, is select down here next to post. You can say schedule post, and here again you can specify starting with the current date and time. So I'll do that again for 12 o'clock tomorrow and click schedule. You can see that schedule post here in that section. And notice you've got all the other options around it. So that's how it's done in a group, on a page. Note your personal profile. At the moment you can't schedule from that. That's just live posting. If I look at the 2020 interface, just to give you a comparison how it looks. You've got the option here to see it on the left hand side under schedule posts, and you can either choose to reschedule or post now. So I can change the time if I want to. And if I go back to a page, here you can pick out Publishing Tools in the left hand menu, and you could say so this page hasn't been designed for the new interface yet, so may not necessarily work. Schedule post drafts, and you can sort of do the same thing. So you've still got the old interface built into it. So again, you click here on the drop down and be able to do everything you could do before. So that's scheduling in 2020. It's a good idea to build up a pool of drafts, because every time a draft gets scheduled, it gets removed. So you need to have regular content in the draft format. It gives you more time to develop the content, and you can be assured if you look at the insights on your page that it's going out at the time when it's the optimal for your audience to respond. So even if you've created it first thing in the morning, if 6 o'clock is the best time, you can schedule it for that time. That's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.